You've seen what's on the market in this price range and it can be challenging. So 1830 Sequoyah Terrace is a wonderful offering with its spacious floor plan, updated features, large and fenced yard, and perfect location in the county with low taxes. With its 3 sizable bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, the floor plan is perfect whether you're moving up or moving down. You will appreciate the updated luxury vinyl plank flooring, updated kitchen with solid wood cabinetry, gas range, stainless steel appliances, and room for casual or formal dining. The main floor also features a comfortable living room, large cozy family room with fireplace, and spacious laundry room. You'll love how the home offers so much living space. Walk up to the 3 bedrooms or down to the office or media room. You'll enjoy spending time on your rear screened porch or in the fenced and private backyard where you can store your RV, boat, or other toys. There are also 2 storage sheds in the back to house all your other items to keep them out of the yard. Welcome home.